So hello everyone, today we are going to learn classes and object. So now basically what is a class in Java? Let's define it. A class is basically a blueprint of set of objects that represents common characteristics and behavior. So class is basically a blueprint of set of objects that represents common characteristics and behavior. Now what's important is to understand what is basically characteristics and behavior. These two terms are important. So now in order to understand this concept better, like characteristics and behavior, let's take an example. Now let's have certain attributes and behaviors. What are attributes? I will explain. Attributes are basically characteristics, and let's explain. Let me write something, then I will explain. Gender and nationality. Then walk, swim, and jump. Now, suppose this is a blueprint. Fine. This is a structure. What is this? Basically, it is a structure. A structure in which I am having height, a weight, a gender, a nationality, and three works or three actions: walk, swim, and jump. Now, suppose I have a person whose height is 5.5, 5 feet 5 inch, weight is 45, gender is male, and nationality is Indian. He can walk and he can jump. He can walk as well as he can jump. And I am having another person whose height is 5 feet 11 inch. His weight is 75 kg. His gender is male and his nationality is American. And he can walk, he can jump, and he can swim as well. He can walk, he can jump, he can swim, and I have another. Now, see something. What you find is that everything that's here, right? All these are actions. All these are, and everything that's here, all these are characteristics or attributes. See, these are attributes. These are attributes and these are actions. Now, all these actions are basically behavior. And all these attributes, these are basically characteristics. Now what comes up is that when you're having both the actions and characteristics combined in one single box or one single file, this is called a class. Now what you find here and here is that you find two things. You find this weight as well, this has gender, this also has a gender, but this is an Indian, this is an American, and their behavior, their actions are different. So these are objects. Object 1, object 2, and this can be object n. You can create infinite number of objects. So you can summarize it as objects. Objects are nouns, characteristics are adjectives, and behaviors are basically verbs. You can create infinite number of nouns. Noun is basically a name, place, thing, or an animal, right? So you can create infinite number of nouns. You can create adjectives like this: height, weight, gender, and nationality, and then behavior are basically verbs. So all these are real life examples, and I will try to explain the concepts in depth, right, in programming terms after a few videos. Thank you.